Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Soundcore Liberty 3 Pro headphones and I'm going to show you what to do if one earbud isn't working. To do this, to fix this, you just have to go into your Bluetooth settings, devices, and forget your headphones from your device. Now you have to remove both your headphones from your case, just like that, and check if there is some dust. If there is, you have to clean it. Then check if the light of your headphones is lighting up when you are inserting both of your headphones into your case, like that. If there is no connection, you just have to contact local support. If there is, you have to go into pairing mode now, holding this button over here for at least 3 seconds. Then you have to pair with your headphones again and check if your earbud is working. But if it isn't still, you have to do a hard reset. To do a hard reset, you have to hold this button for at least 10 seconds. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.